PADnet tip, selecting the gain. Part 1, capturing the waveforms. To capture a good waveform, allow the PVR segment of the test to run until you notice a steady pattern in the waveforms. The goal is to capture at least 2 to 3 identical peaks within the graph. It is okay to scroll back and forth once you stop the test in order to fit the waveforms properly on the graph. If you scrolled around and the waveforms are still too big or really hard to see, this is time to change the gain. Part 2, selecting the gain. What is the gain? The gain options can be found on the right-hand side of the PVR graph when performing the test. At every segment of the test, except for the toes, the gain should automatically be set to 1.0. Just like a zoom tool, the gain can change the size of the waveform shown in the graph. The most common use of the gain change is to shrink PVR waveforms if they appear too large for the graph. Twin cuffs. When choosing the gain for a PVR, we need to set twin cuffs to the same gain. Twin cuffs are placed at the same segment for both the right and left side of the patient. For example, the right and left cuffs for the arms are twin cuffs. Same segment, same gain. Why is it so important that the twin cuffs are set to the same gain? When the interpreting physician looks at the data, they will easily notice the waveforms look different when comparing the right and left side of the patient's body. To make sure they can accurately compare these waveforms, they need the gains to be identical on both sides. When the study has been completed, the gains are identical to the twin cuffs. You may sign and send the test.